Talking with Dick Beardsley today. Happy to have you, and no doubt a running marathon icon. You run a lot of races still. You organize a lot of races. If somebody wants to get started in running, a lot of people say, I can't do it. How do you get started? Take those first couple steps.
Well, that's the thing, Scott, is getting started. That's the biggest and hardest part of like a running program. Is getting started. And a lot of people get all gung-ho after the first of the year. They're going to change their lives and get healthy again, and they start on this program, but they're not willing to go from point A to point B. They want to go from point A to point Z right away, and what happens is they end up getting injured, or the soreness kicks in, and they're thinking, gosh, my friend says this running makes me feel so good, and I'm more tired and sore than I've ever been.
Yeah.
It takes about 6 weeks to kind of get over that hump.
Okay.
Once you get over that hump, then you start, realizing that it does make you feel better, that you do have more energy. But the key is to start out slow. And if you haven't done anything for a while, start out walking. And then, start out walking and then just brisk walking, and then alternate a little walking and running. And if you do it slow and take it a little bit at a time, pretty soon you'll be doing more running than walking, and then next thing you know, you're joining, you're signing up for the local 5K, and boom, you're hooked.
A lot of people this time of year, and we're doing this interview the third day of January, so the New Year's resolutions are still in high gear. When you see people starting out, what do you notice? I mean, is this a good exercise to lose weight, either walking or running?
Yeah, running or walking, you basically burn about 100 calories per mile, whether you run or walk. Now, the thing is, obviously, walking is going to take you a little longer to cover a mile than it will be running. But for some people that are older, or really don't want to run, but they can walk, especially now in the wintertime with the icy conditions. I know you can go up to the mall, they open it up early, and you go up there in the morning, you see all the people that walk laps in there, and they meet people they've never known before, and pretty soon they become good friends. So the walking, running is of what you get for the bang for your buck as far as burning calories, is probably about one of the best things that there is, because you're gonna burn calories quite efficiently, and plus you're gonna get your legs are gonna tone up, and if you use your arms, and that's part of it. Try running or walking with the arms at your side, and you'll realize how important the arms are. And so, no, that's a great way to increase your metabolism, burn the calories, and get in pretty good shape.